This build is for one thing: you want 4K gaming to feel easy, and you want a system that stays high-end for years. With the Ryzen 7 9800X3D, you get strong minimum FPS, clean frame pacing, and excellent performance in the CPU-heavy titles that can make even expensive PCs feel uneven. For the motherboard, we have the MSI Mag X870E Tomahawk Wi-Fi. You're getting modern connectivity like USB 4, 40 gigabits per second, and Wi-Fi 7 support, plus PCIe 5.0 options for both GPU and storage depending on how you configure the system. This board is all about building a high-end system with the ports, storage expansion, and long-term flexibility you actually want at this budget level. Memory is still 32 gigabytes DDR5-6000 EXPO, and yes, that's still the smart move for gaming, even in a high-end build. If you're also doing heavy content creation, large project work, or you run a ton of background tasks while gaming, then you go 64 gigabytes. Otherwise, 32 gigabytes keeps performance high without wasting money where it won't show up in your actual experience. Storage is where a high-end build gets to be fun. The specific pick here is the crucial T710 4TB PCIe Gen 5 NVMe. This is the kind of drive you choose when you want one giant, insanely fast game and project drive, and you never want to think about space again. Just have in mind that Gen 5 drives like this require the dedicated heatsink that comes with the X870E Tomahawk, as they run incredibly hot. For cooling, go with a serious 360mm AIO that's built to keep temperatures steady during long sessions. The clean pick here is the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360. It's designed as a high-performance AIO with strong fans and a focus on cooling performance. Now the GPU. This is the centerpiece. The pick is an RTX 5080, and the specific model is the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5080 Gaming OC 16GB. It's a 16GB GDDR7 card on a 256-bit bus built for high-end gaming, and it's exactly the kind of GPU that lets you push 4K settings without turning the experience into constant compromise. Could you go higher? Sure, you could pick an RTX 5090, but high-end doesn't automatically mean buy the most extreme thing available. This tier is where you usually get the best balance of top-end performance and sanity, strong 4K capabilities, strong feature support, and a build that doesn't turn into a power and heat science project. The case is the HAVN HS 420. It supports everything from Mini ITX up to E-ATX, and it's designed around high-end airflow and clean building. If you're dropping a serious GPU into your build, the case should make cooling easy, not harder. And finally, the power supply is the Seasonic Focus GX80X 3.0 1000-watt class. It's fully modular, gold efficiency, and it's built for modern systems that can spike power quickly under load. The goal is stable power and headroom without going completely overboard. So this build is the full experience: flagship gaming CPU behavior, high-end GPU power, high-speed storage, strong cooling, and a platform that won't feel outdated the next time you upgrade. All this for a total cost of around $3,700.